How to open a zip file on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily open up a zip file on Windows. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. So if you want to open up a zip file, all you have to do is extract the zip files to open it. So for that, you will need an extractor. In some cases, the file itself comes with the extractor like this one. I can extract all of these items right here on this folder. But if you don't want that, you can use external extractors like WinRAR. So just open up your web browser and search for WinRAR and download WinRAR from here. And once you download WinRAR, all you have to do is right click on the folder and then click on Extract All. Now show the extracted files when completed, so just tap on extract and these files will be extracted. Now you're able to view the photos right here or any of the files that are in your zipped folder. So now if I try to open it up, I'll be able to see all of the files on the folder. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.